Hey, hi all, welcome back. So last session, you know how to run the first program you discussed. That is what second one. Now we'll be discussing the third concept or third session in this playlist, Python playlist. So now we'll go and see. First, let me go to the Databricks one. Here I'll go and create what notebook. Okay. Here I'll keep as what second. Okay. Second. But now I'll be telling about what print, and I'll be discussing about what data types. Arjun, what does it mean? Okay. You know, in Python programming language, if you wanted to print something, you'll be using which command? Print. Okay. You can just say hi. It'll print what? Hi. Here you can see in the downside, it'll print what? Hi. But it has to start the cluster. It's connected. Now it's printing hi. Arjun, should I print only string? Okay. Can I go on to print the numbers? Should I go on to print the numbers? Go on to see. Go on to see. It will give. Okay. But Arjun, can I go on to print string only without keeping a single quotes? No, then give what? Error. It give what? Error. If it is a string, you should pass in which one? Single quotes. Okay. Or double quotes. That I will come back later point of time. Don't worry. But if it is a string means you have to provide in what? Single quotes. Otherwise it will give error. Okay. Hi. What is telling? Name. Hi is not defined. What do you mean by that one? I'll come back. But if you go and see, since we said about the single quotes, now, if you go and say hi, what is coming? Okay, you are getting hi. That means either single quote, double quote, it will work. Okay, not a problem. But if you're not keeping in a single quotes, it will give error. Why it is giving error? It is considering it as a variable. Variable. Okay, what is a variable? Okay, or it is considering as what? You are not a defined. Not a defined means I'm not able to find what is this hi. Okay, because it's not a variable, it's not a function or a method, whatever it is. Okay, finally, it is not able to understand this one, it is giving error. Then you understood string means you have to pass in what? Single quote, double quote. Numbers means you can pass. Okay, fine. But this printer, what all you can do, Arjun? Okay, so it just to print means always will I be doing like this hard coding and all? No, this no one will be doing in actual real time one. So now I just go and say, okay, let's go and say, I want to print your name. Your name. Arjun, what is my name? How will you know? I will ask you, hey, please tell me your name. Okay. My name is Arjun Arjun. My name is Arjun R. Yeah. My name is, let's say, Geetika Arjun. Okay. Then this name you want to print, I can go and say print name. Print name. Now, what is this name? Name is not a string. It's a variable. Variable which is storing this data, which is storing this data. Now, if you go and run, you see here what happened? Geetika. It is printing. What is this one? Name is a variable we call. What we call here? Name. He is a variable. Okay. Which is storing. Okay. Which will store, which is storing Geetika, okay, value or string, where it is storing, okay. This variable will be created in memory, where memory, you can consider as a RAM, okay. So name is a variable, it can have what Geetika, that it is printing here, okay. So instead of writing here Geetika hard-coded value, I am storing that into a variable. That variable I'm printing. That variable I'm printing. Arjun, you're keeping a Geetika. Instead of Geetika, can I go and keep something else? Something else? It's up to you what you'll keep here. Okay. Name. I'll say Reddy. Now what will print here? Print to name. It'll print Reddy. Okay. No, Arjun. Can I keep anything else? Instead of this one, can I keep a Python? It's up to you. It is up to you. Name equal to Python. It will print what? Now Python. Now Python. That is nothing but what? In this variable, currently, this is a name, is a variable. This ready we are keeping here. Okay. That is nothing but if you see here, what is happening for your idea purpose. I'm just telling you. Okay. You can consider it as a okay name. name, okay, is a variable, okay. What is there? It is having something like this, okay. Inside this one, what are keeping? We are keeping what? Geetika, or later point after we are keeping a reddy, whatever it is. Now, this is what variable name we call. What we call? This is called variable name, okay, variable name. And this Geetika, we call it as what? Value inside a variable. What we call? Value inside a variable. Value inside a variable. Okay. So this is a name. This is the value. Actual value is Geetika. This is a name. Okay. So in this, what you'll be keeping, it can change. It need not be every time Geetika. Like initially we kept here what? Geetika. Later we change to Reddy. Later we change to Python. Like that we can change. But at a time, it can have only one value. Which value? One. No, Arjun, more than one value I wanted to keep. This name variable should have Geetika, Reddy, okay, whatever you're having a Python, okay, Arjun, okay, Chiranjeevi, okay, whatever it is, whatever name you want, you can keep it Sachin, Kohli, more than one. Then you have to go for different data type. That I will come, leave it. Currently, I'm not talking about data type. I'm just talking about variable. So what is this name? Is a variable. Arjun, like this, what all variables I can declare? It is up to you. Up to you or up to the requirement, what you are having, what you'll be getting in the project. No, Arjun, I wanted to store name. I wanted to store mobile number. I wanted to store age. I want to store gender. It's up to you. Then what will do? Name. Yeah, please enter your name. Okay. My name is, okay. You can consider Shashank. Okay. What is your mobile number? Mobile number is 12345. 12345. Okay. 12345. 12345. Yeah, what is your age? Age is, let's say, 8 years. And what is your gender? My gender is male. You can do whatever you want. Now, what you can tell? You can go and tell print, okay, print. I can say name. It print what? Name. What is the name? Shashank. Print. What you can do? Mobile number. Mobile number. Print. What you can tell? Age. Print. What you can tell? M. Now, if you go and see whatever it is there, it is printing. It is printing. This is about what? Name, mobile number, age, and what? Gender, it is printing. Okay. Like this, now what we call name, mobile number, age, gender, we call it as what? Variables. Variables. Okay. So it is printing. No, no, Arjun. Why are you writing it 4 times? Why are you writing it 4 times? Can I print all that in a single thing? Why not? You can do that also. I'll take this program, copy paste here, copy paste here. Here you can go and tell name, comma, mobile number, comma, age, comma, gender. Okay. Like this, you can print. It is up to you. Now, in a print command with the comma separated, you can keep multiple values. Multiple parameters. Print will accept what? Multiple parameters or arguments you can consider. It is printing everything in what? Single. Hey, what it is this one, Arjun? It is printing, but there is no proper meaning. I'm not able to read properly. What is this one? Hey, what you want? I want to say, hey, Shashank, okay, you are a male and 8 years old. This is your mobile. You should give some kind of text message. Text message. Then what you want to do? This you are getting the data from these variables. For that, you wanted to add what? Some extra information. What is the extra information? Hi, Shashank. You are a male and your age is 8 years. Your mobile number is this one. You are eligible for vote after 10 years because your age is currently 8. You have to wait 10 more years. Like that and all I have to do. That and all if you wanted to do. In a print statement, you can do, okay, other thing that we can call as a literal. What you can say? Hi, comma, Shashank. Okay, Shashank. Okay. Your mobile number is comma mobile number, okay, mobile number, okay, and gender age I'm removing, and you are which person? Male person. Which person? M. Okay, you can say gender, okay, or your gender is what you can say? M. your gender is M. Okay, you can tell. Now if you go, sorry, not M, gender. Now if you go on to see what is giving, okay, hey Shashank, your mobile number is this one and your age, gender is what? M. So like this you can print here. Now what is this one we call? This hi, your mobile number, your gender is, you can call it as which one? Literal or fixed text. Fixed text we can call. Okay, that is one. Second one, in a print, you can give what? N number of arguments or parameters you can pass like this. That's the second point I want to tell you. Okay, let me add here. What is the first point I wanted to tell you? First point I wanted to tell you. Okay, print will accept. Print accepts, not will. Let me put print accepts n number of parameter. N number of parameter value. Okay, each value should be separated by comma. That's the first rule. Okay, the second rule, what I wanted to say is, okay, so in above example, hi, okay, your mobile number is and your gender is called fixed value, or if you talk about database terminals and all, we can call it literal. Okay, you can consider. I hope you understood about this one. Arjun, what is this one? You're telling. This is called comments. What is one? This is called comment. Okay. So slash is called single line comment. Which comment? Single line comment. What do we single line comment? If you tell this one, it will not consider this as a Python code. Python code. It will consider as what? Comment, which will be writing in the real time comments. Why comments are required? Today you'll be working in the company, you'll write the code, and you may change the company, you may change the project. You may change the project. That code, whatever you have written, or if you are there in the same project, after 6 months, if you see, you yourself will not be able to understand some of the code. If the comments are there properly, why you have written the code, what is the purpose of the code, then it will be easy to understand by someone else or you yourself. Okay, after some time if you're checking. That's why people will be keeping the comments in a real time. Every programming language, comments will be there. Okay, this is called single line comment, and multi-line comments means you can tell this one inside is whatever we write. Okay, here whatever we write, okay, it will consider this one. It will consider, okay, consider as what? Multi-line comment. Okay, so here we can write, okay, more than one line instead of keeping slash, okay, like that, for each line. So if we have comment in one line, keep slash. No, more than one line I have comments. More than one line I want to keep the comment. I want to keep comment or write the comment. Go for this one. Hope you understood here. What you understood about print command, you understood. Okay, you can print whatever you want, string, numbers and all, but string should be there in what? Single quote or double quote. If you're not completing, it is considered not variable. Okay, or methods or whatever it is. I'll come back to that one. So now, instead of accepting your hard coding, you can take the value and keep in a variable that you can print. Like this, n number of variables you can keep. If you want, you can print each one separately. No, Arjun, I want to keep everything in a single print command. You can keep it, but it will show what, like this, which is not meaningful one. I want it to show as a meaningful one, Arjun. Okay, you can keep this one. Till here you are clear. But still, if you go on the Jugo, it is coming like this. No, Arjun, this has to come like a single message. It is considered a separate thing. Single message, if you wanted to get, then you have to do what? Concatenation. What you have to do? Concatenation we have to do. What is concatenation here? This plus comma will go, you'll be keeping a plus. Okay, and this comma will go, you'll be keeping what? Plus. This comma will go, you'll be keeping what? Plus. This comma will go, you'll be keeping what? Plus. This will go, you'll be keeping plus. What is plus? This plus symbol, it will act as a concatenation in this example. Concatenation. Now let's go and run. If you see here, you're getting error. Arjun, why? Why? Concatenation. This I'm going to explain in the next video. Okay. It is continuing what? Concatenation, but it's giving error. Why error? Don't worry as of now. Don't worry as of now. Just go back. Just go ahead and see. Let it be their mobile number. Okay. This mobile number, I'm keeping what? I'm keeping what? Single quote. This also I'm keeping a single quote. Let's see here what you're getting. You're getting now. Hi Shashanka. Okay. Mobile number is this one and your gender is M. So it will be coming as what? Single message. Which message? Single. Arjun, what is the proof? Okay. Here if you go and notice between Hi and Shashank, how many spaces we are having? Two. How many spaces? Two. One, two. Okay. But here you're getting only one. This one is coming because of what? This you are keeping here. This you are keeping. If you are keeping as a separate parameter, one space is added what? This print statement is adding. But if you are doing a concatenation, it is not adding any spaces. What is the proof, Arjun? I'll give this one. Now, if you see here, I and Shashank is clubbed together. It's a single value. Single value. But here, if you go and keep this point, still you'll be seeing as what? Separate value. Can you see here? Hi and session separately. This one is the comments one, leave it. It is not coming as single one, even though I remove the space. Why? This will be separate, this will be separate, like that is giving a separate value. It is not combining and giving. No, Arjun, I want to combine and get. You have to go for each one. Concatenation. Which is the concatenation symbol here? Plus. While concatenation symbol here? Plus. Hope you understood. But which you did not understood is why, Arjun, you kept this in a single course. Don't worry. That I'm going to discuss in the next video. Okay. Hope you liked, okay, what I mentioned here. Okay. What now I covered. If you really understood and really following, please like this video, subscribe, okay, which will discuss further about what this issue, whatever issue we are having here, right? We'll see in the next video while covering what? Data types. Thank you. See you again next session.